I never miss an opportunity to taste a masala dosa. So today we're going to taste the masala dosa at Town Canteen. I don't know if you can see it in the GoPro, but that's quite an impressive sight there. So you've got the hustle and bustle of this busy market and then the tranquility of the mountains. Chikka Magalu. Chikka is little one, Magalu is daughter, Uru is town. The town of the little daughter.
Yeah.
Dosa Mastro.
Dosa master.
ದೋಸೆ ದೋಸೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಬೇಡ ಮಸಾಲೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Typically when you're looking at dosas that are made with ghee etc., the moment you place your fingers into that dosa, your fingers are immersed, are soaked in that ghee, in that tuppa. But out here, I think the quantity of benne that they put is just right for that dosa to absorb within itself without releasing any of that benne outside. What is this area that we are in?
Now this is Adi Shakti Nagar.
Adi Shakti Nagar. So I'm with Mr. Charles Baptist. I don't know when this video will be released. Perhaps you've already met him in the earlier video on the vintage, the homestay, the charming homestay that's set in an orchard that he runs. But now he's taking me to Town Canteen.
So it's about 7 kilometers.
7 kilometers. And how old is Town Canteen?
It's a very old, sir.
Yeah.
As I know from childhood, it is there.
Ah,
But
okay.
I don't know the history.
So you've been eating dosa there since you were a
Yes,
child?
yes, very much.
Ah.
At least once in a week, he used to go from school and then have it.
Ah, okay.
They make really crispy and delicious
Yeah.
dosas.
So we're going to be revisiting some of Charles' childhood memories in that masala dosa. I never miss an opportunity to taste a masala dosa. So today we're going to taste the masala dosa at Town Canteen. And I'd also put up a poll on Instagram asking if I should check it out. An overwhelming majority said I should check it out and that I should taste the benne masala dosa.
Yes, benne masala.
The butter masala dosa. So when you're in Chikmagalur, the land of coffee, the benne masala dosa at Town Canteen is also a ritual that you should not miss. So this dip you largely use it only in and around the farm.
That's all. And sometimes, some special guests, I go with them.
Ah, okay. You've had this jeep for how long? 20 years now. I think there's a certain charm to these vehicles.
Yeah. And actually, this MM540 is not there now.
Correct, it's not there.
So now everybody wants to buy this vehicle and modify it.
Ah, okay.
They are very expensive. Any old vehicles will not cost less than 3.5-4 lakhs.
Oh, okay. Even a 20-year-old vehicle.
Yeah.
And then when you bought it at that time, it must have been how long? How much?
Actually, then I paid 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
Yeah. Now, since I have modified it, I make it 5 lakhs.
Oh, you made it 5 lakhs? Oh my goodness. That truly is amazing. I've never heard of that. Buy a vehicle, drive it for 20 years and still get the entire money that you paid for the vehicle. Of course, not the same value that you paid 20 years ago because that 5 lakhs is probably worth, but at least notionally you know you paid 5 lakhs for the vehicle, you still get 5 lakhs back. That's fantastic. What is that called?
Kavigal Gundi.
Kavigal Gundi. That's the beauty of Chikmagalur. So you've got all this hustle and bustle and then you've got coffee estates and then you've got these enormous mountains.
The hill which you see on the western side, that is supposed to be the highest peak of Karnataka, Mullayanagiri.
Mullayanagiri, yeah. I don't know if you can see it in the GoPro, but that's quite an impressive sight there. So you've got the hustle and bustle of this busy market and then the tranquility of the mountains. Chikkamagalu. Chikka is little one, Magalu is daughter, Uru is town. The town of the little daughter.
Yeah.
Chikkamagaludu Uru. The town of the little daughter, the younger daughter. That's the one?
This one.
Ah, okay. Town canteen. Since 1960. Raghavendra, namaskara.
62 running.
So, ನಿಮ್ದು ಫಾದರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಫಾದರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅವರೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ನಾನು ಇರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಜನರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದು ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ ಭಾಳ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಸರ್ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್.
ಹಾಂ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದರು ನನಗೆ. ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಮಸಾಲೆ. I can hear the sizzle of dosa in the background. ದೋಸೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇದು?
ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಇವರೇ ಮೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಮೇನ್ ದೋಸೆ ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ರು.
ಹಾಂ ದೋಸೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ದೋಸೆ ದೋಸೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜನರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಬೇಡ ಮಸಾಲೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇನು ಗೀ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ
ಗೀ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ.
ಗೀ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಉದ್ದಿನ ಬೇಳೆ,
ಉದ್ದಿನ ಬೇಳೆ,
ಮೆಂತೆ, ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ.
ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಅಕ್ಕಿ.
ದಪ್ಪ ದೋಸೆ ಅಕ್ಕಿ.
ಹಾಂ
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಂದು ದೋಸೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ.
ಒಂದು ದೋಸೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ಮೋಹನ್.
ಮೋಹನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ದೋಸೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
10 years.
10 years ಇಂದ.
ನಿನ್ನ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು 9 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಹತ್ತು ಕೊಡು ಅಂದರೆ. I think the dosas are flying out fast and furious. I don't know, Mohan, dosa tave.
ಬೈಟನಾ? ನನಗೆ ಬೈಟು. ಸರ್ ದೋಸೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು.
ಒಂದು ಬೈಟ್ ಕೊಡು ನನಗೆ.
ತೊಳೆ ಬೈಟು ತೊಳೆ.
Well, I'm told my dosas have arrived at the table. It's time to tuck into the dosa. Not just watch the making of the dosa, but taste the dosa.
Hi sir, good evening. Following in the YouTube and Instagram. We are biggest fan of you. Can we take a selfie?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Come.
We are from Chikmagalur, but we are staying in Bangalore.
Okay. Nice.
But we are oftenly watching you. It's really good. I think so. We are disturbing you.
No, that's okay. Doesn't matter. So is this dosa the way you remember it when you used to come from school?
Yeah, the same dosa
Yeah.
when today we get it.
This is a benne masala dosa.
It is a better.
So although it's a benne masala dosa, it's not dripping with tuppa.
Yeah.
No, that's the one difference that I see. ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಇದೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಗಿಲ್ಟಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡ್ರೈ ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆ ದೋಸೆಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Typically when you're looking at dosas that are made with ghee etc., the moment you place your fingers into that dosa, your fingers are immersed, are soaked in that ghee, in that tuppa. But out here, I think the quantity of benne that they put is just right for that dosa to absorb within itself without releasing any of that benne outside. How nice is it?
Kripal sir, we really love watching your shows.
Okay.
Me and my son, he's a big fan of you.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
So keep doing the good work, sir.
Thank you very much. That chutney is spicy, huh? So, coconut ಇದೆ, ಉರುಗಡ್ಲೆ ಇದೆ. So that's Mr. Raghavendra, who's the second generation.
My father and me.
Why is it called the town canteen?
1960 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಟೌನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ town
Town
canteen. Sadhu name has
Name.
held on.
ಹೌದು.
Fantastic. This dosa is quite nice. It's kind of, you know it's got butter, but it doesn't seem like it's got butter. So you can basically enjoy it without too much of a guilty pang. But the chutney is spicy ಇದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉರುಗಡ್ಲೆ ಇದೆ.
ಉರಿಗಡ್ಲೆ, ಕೊಕೊನಟ್,
Coconut.
ಜಿಂಜರ್, ಪುದೀನ,
It's got
ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ.
Green chili. Over some of that dosa with the palya.
Only also makes a difference.
ಇದು ಪಲ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರುಳ್ಳಿದು.
Exactly. Nearly not much spice.
Correct.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
There is not too much spice in that ಪಲ್ಯ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೀರುಳ್ಳಿದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರಿಶಿನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
ಚಟ್ನಿ.
When was the last time you had this dosa?
15 days back.
Are you coming here for the memories that you have of this dosa or just
Memories and plus taste also.
plus taste also?
Some break.
Some break. You know, I think the testament to any place is how the locals patronize it. Right?
Yeah.
Charles has been coming here for the last 40 years
40 years.
and still once in a couple of weeks he wants to come here and have that bende masala dosa. What I also like is the roast of the dosa. So around the edges it's roasted lightly, but around the center it's got a deep roast and it's got a bit of a crunch. This is a dosa that goes crunch from the first bite to the end. I think ಇದೊಂದು ದೋಸೆ ತಿಂದರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 2 hours ಏನು ಬೇಡ.
Because ಇದು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆನೂ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆನೂ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
And potato. And it is thick also.
That palya is simple, flavored only with the onion. There's some chilies there, maybe a bit of coriander, some lentils that I see in that, and some turmeric. So also the inside the dosa is not smeared with chutney. It's a dosa that's simple, but I guess endearing in its own way. Sometimes simple things appeal to you most. And I think when it comes to the dosa here at Town Canteen Chikmagalur, I think it's the taste that you have been tasting for the last 40-50 years, and that's what brings you back. And wherever the locals go, well, the visitors are bound to follow, because the first thing a visitor does is ask, where should one eat? So when they meet Charles, he says, well, I've been eating the dosa at Town Canteen, so the Town Canteen it is for that masala dosa. As you work your way to the center of the dosa, you come across more of that butter, more of that bending. And that's what you certainly see on my fingers that are now dripping with that butter. Having worked my way through more than half that dosa. Namaskar. My gulab jamun is here too, but I'm not done with my dosa yet. Oh, that gulab jamun katte is hot. Oh, busy gulab jamun. So how's the gulab jamun?
Very good. Very. When it was small, it was not there. Later came in the menu.
Thank you. This chutney is quite spicy, but also the sort that you don't want to let go. It's burning you, it's spicy, but you still want to eat. That's what this chutney is. I think the chutney also helps cut some of the fat from the bending. The spice of the chutney. There's a bit of ginger that I'm tasting also. In that chutney. Certain parts will be soft in the dosa. Certain parts will be crispy in it. I think even the way they ladle the dosa, ಅದೊಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಥಿನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ದಪ್ಪ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ದಪ್ಪ ಪಾರ್ಟ್
ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ನೆಸ್
ಬರುತ್ತೆ,
ಕೆಲವರು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಪಿ
ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಂದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಬಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫರ್ಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಉದ್ದಿನ ಬೇಳೆ, ಮೆಂತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ದಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಫರ್ಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
So that's interesting. So when they make the dosa, there's two parts to it. So one part is the fermented part with the uddina bele, the fenugreek seeds, and also with some dappa. So that is ground and then mixed and combined and let to ferment for nearly a day.
Yes, sir.
And then they have another part which is with the rice
Rice
flour.
flour, maida,
Rice flour, maida, a bit of sugar and a bit of
soda.
soda.
Yeah.
And that is then added to the fermented mix. You know, 1:1.
2:1.
2:1. 2 fermented.
1 fermented.
1 part fermented and 2 parts of that rice flour with the sugar,
Maida
a little bit of the
and
maida
soda.
and a little bit of the soda, and then that dosa is made. And I think the technique here is the fact that they, as they ladle the dosa on the tawa such that part of it is thick and part of it is thin. So the thick ridges is what becomes soft and fluffy. And the thin parts are what give you that crispy. Fantastic. So that's what you see in this dosa here. You see the thick parts which is right here, which is thick and fluffy. And then you have the thin parts which is deep roasted and crispy. And I think that sugar that they add into that batter also helps get some of that caramelized load.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಊಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಅದೇ
Now time to taste that gulab jamun. Busy gulab jamun. ಸೀದೆ ಖೋವಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈದಾ. ಖೋವಾ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ?
ಗೋವಾ ಮೈದಾ
ಬರೀ ಮೈದಾ.
ಮೈದಾ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಲಿನ ಪುಡಿ
ಹಾಲಿನ ಪುಡಿ. Oh, that gulab jamun is soft and toasted all the way in.
Wondering how does it give that Goa taste?
The milk powder. Khova in a gulab jamun. It makes it very rich. Traditional places, the North Indian places, more khova, less maida. But here, because it's mostly maida and the milk powder, that gulab jamun is light. ಇದು 3-4 ತಿನ್ಬೋದು ಆರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3-4 ತಿನ್ಬೋದು. Cardamom is it?
ಸಿರಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕಾಡಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿ
There's also a bit of cardamom that's added to that.
ಎಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ
Pure cardamom.
100
I love the fact that the gulab jamun is browned all the way from the outside to within. Place that gulab jamun in your mouth and it quite simply dissolves away in a pool of sugary decadence laced with a hint of cardamom.
ಶುಗರ್ಲೆಸ್
So I like the fact that Raghavendra here, who is the second generation, is very hands-on. He makes the coffee himself, which is quite nice. How's it? Good?
Very nice.
Time to go for that coffee, the filter coffee. I think after having that benne masala dosa, that gulab jamun, you need the redemption that only coffee can provide you with its sweet bitterness. Then the coffee is super. That coffee has a bit of a caramelized note to it. This is coffee in 80-20, eh?
85-50
85-50. Panduranga coffee. So this coffee is from Panduranga Coffee, and I've got a little vlog coming up on Panduranga Coffee as well. And of course, the person who introduced me to that coffee was Charles here, because
I use the same coffee powder in my homestay.
I tasted the coffee at his homestay and I'm like, where did you get this coffee from? And then he said Panduranga, and that's where we went this afternoon. So I don't know if you would have seen that vlog already or if it's going to come up later. But turns out that at Town Canteen too, it's the same coffee. The Panduranga Coffee Works coffee. Download money to the Thank you. When it comes to food, it's always nice to share food, right? Whether it's a dosa, whether it's a gulab jamun, whether it's coffee. And if you're sharing it with somebody who's been visiting that place for nearly 4 decades, I think it really makes it special. So thank you very much, Charles, for being a part of this.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
very much.
So that's it, folks. My late evening tiffin expedition to Town Canteen in Chikmagaluru. I enjoyed that dosa, that benne masala dosa, that gulab jamun. I could easily polish off half a dozen if I'm not careful. And then finally, to round things off, this coffee, this delicious Panduranga coffee brewed here at the Town Canteen. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.